Why some caulk saver products work better than others comes down to fit, material, and how they interact with a partially used nozzle. A good caulk saver forms a tight seal against the tapered nozzle and resists deformation over time, so choose flexible materials like silicone or soft rubber that compress to match the nozzle profile and rebound when removed. Match the cap or stopper to the nozzle size by sliding the saver on while the nozzle is clean, then press gently to seat it. If it feels loose, add a small wrap of tape under the saver rather than forcing a different size that will deform the tip. Keep the nozzle rim free of cured residue by wiping it with a cloth or using a toothpick to clear the orifice before sealing, because hardened beads prevent the saver from making full contact and lead to leaks. For half-used tubes, apply a tiny dab of compatible uncured caulk inside the saver only if the product manufacturer indicates compatibility. An incompatible material can cure and fuse the saver to the nozzle. When removing the saver, pull straight off with a twisting motion to break any surface tension rather than yanking at an angle, which can rip the nozzle or leave cured material behind. Store tubes upright with the saver in place and the cap side down when feasible to use gravity to keep the seal engaged and minimize internal air movement. Common mistakes start with using a saver that is too rigid, which will not conform to the tapered tip and lets air in. So switch to a softer silicone or rubber style that forms around irregularities. Another issue is leaving cured residue on the nozzle before applying the saver, which prevents a good seal, so always clean the rim and orifice before seating the device. People also force a mismatched stopper over the tip, which deforms the nozzle and creates permanent leaks. So never force it. Instead, remove excess caulk, trim the nozzle slightly to a fresh taper if necessary, or use a properly sized wrap of tape to build up the diameter gently. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors by listing local professionals and letting people find work or find customers through our platform. We also host a discussion community where we and our members share product experiences, installation tips, and practical advice about tools like caulk savers.